Elsewhere, small business owners have been urged to formalize their operations to gain official recognition and access key funding opportunities. Ahead of media's Head of Media Smedan, Mr. Moshod Lawal, while speaking in an exclusive interview with ADBN TV, emphasized that formalizing a business is crucial for qualifying for both government and non-government funding options.
Advice to small business owners is, as soon as you start the business, try and do what we call a formalization process. Even if it is business name, go and register with CAC. Let the government have your particulars. Let them know that you are validly doing business in Nigeria. We have SME owners that are doing business for 20 years. They've never thought it wise to go and register their business with CAC or any government institution. So, administratively, they are not existent in Nigeria. So that alone removes a lot of our entrepreneurs from meeting the eligibility criteria for accessing loans, because present your CAC, they said, I don't even have it.
He advised small businesses to obtain small tax identification numbers and stressed the importance of maintaining accurate records for transparency and accountability.
The tax is becoming a thing that has come to stay. So another thing they normally request them to show is their tax identification number or evidence of paying tax. You want to benefit from a loan facility, a grant facility from government, and you don't want to pay tax to that same government. So in the long run, you will actually have hurdles if you do not have evidence of your tax pay.
Mr. Lawal also outlined types of funding available to businesses, noting that both government and non-government sources have distinct application processes, and highlighted that the federal government introduces new initiatives annually to support small businesses.
Now, there is government funding available. There are funding from international development partners. There are funding from commercial banks. There are funding from microfinance bank. There are funding from international NGOs. And of course, there is funding from the local financial institutions, such as the SSU, AJO, and the rest of them. So depending on the funding that an MSME is thinking of assessing, it determines the process is going to follow.